Today, we will explore together another important concept about SSH, and it's called remote port forwarding. Let's kick things off by demystifying this concept of SSH. It's basically the opposite of local port forwarding. It allows us to tunnel network connections from the SSH server to our local client Kali Linux machine. Let's say you have a local web server running on your Kali Linux. But since it's a local web service, the SSH server won't be able to connect to Kali website. So the solution is to execute the remote port forwarding command from Kali. Once this is done, then the SSH server can connect to the website using the specified port and also using the localhost keyword instead of the IP address of the remote host. Let's see this concept in practice using the terminal window. Here on the Kali machine, I have a web server running locally and it's only accessible to the Kali host. Anyone from the network cannot access it. Now let's run the remote port forwarding command using the tag R option and specify the correct port number, which is 7777, to allow the remote SSH server to connect to this website. And it's done. Let's go to the SSH server machine and try to see if we will be able to load this website. In fact, I don't need to know the IP address of Kali here on this Linux host. Just typing localhost is enough and using the correct port number that I used in my previous SSH command. And here you go, folks. The website of Kali is loaded with success.